Mac and cheese is a favorite comfort food. We're going to make it vegan style. First, I'm going to create a sauce that will be poured over the pasta and then baked. The sauce ingredients include flour, butter, salt, vegan milk, and cheese. These ingredients can be store-bought or made from scratch. Please see the vlearningcommunity.org website for homemade butter and cheese. If you have a dry blender, flour can also be made from a mix of dry legumes, nuts, seeds, and grains. Milk can easily be made in a blender with almonds or hemp seeds along with some water. Now blend the ingredients, pour over the noodles, and bake. You may want to crumble cheese on top and bake for a couple more minutes, or make a casserole with chickpea tuna.